Hello, I'm Benny Bristow with today's Bible Jigsaw Puzzle Game. True or False, Part 1. Joshua is the strongest man in the Bible. False. It is Samson. Judges 16:6. Jesus was tempted by the devil in the wilderness. True. Matthew 4:1. Eve was made from Adam's leg bone. False. It was from his rib. Genesis 2:22. John the Baptist's clothing was made of camel's hair. True. Mark 1:6. Adam was made from dust. True. Genesis 2:7. Adam was deceived in the garden. False. Only Eve. 2 Corinthians 11:3. Jesus raised Jonah from the dead. False. He raised Lazarus. John 11:43. The wages of sin is death. True. Romans 6:23. John baptized Jesus in the Sea of Galilee. False. It was in the Jordan River. Matthew 3:13. Jesus caused some hogs to run into the sea. True. Mark 5:13. The fruit in the garden was definitely an apple. False. The Bible doesn't say. What's the answer? Part 2. From what place did Moses lead the Israelites from slavery? Egypt. Hebrews 3:16. Define the word Emmanuel. God with us. Matthew 1:23. Whose wife in the Old Testament tried to tempt Joseph to sin? Potiphar's wife. Genesis 39:7. Name the wife that Jacob loved. Rachel. Genesis 29:30. What did Judas do when betraying Jesus? Kissed him. Luke 22:48. What king wanted to kill Jesus? Herod. Matthew 2:16. Who did Jesus say is a liar and the father of it? The devil. John 8 44. How does James teach that wisdom is sought from God? Ask him. James 1:5. How many books are in the New Testament? 27. Name Solomon's father. David, 2 Samuel 5:14. What kind of shepherd was Jesus? A good shepherd, John 10:11. And that's today's Bible Jigsaw puzzle game. Thank you.